Driving a vehicle relies on an unseen marvel of engineering, the steering system. A mere turn of the wheel translates into a precise change of direction, but what intricate dance of mechanics makes this possible, defying the inertia and friction of a moving mass? At the core of most modern vehicles lies the rack and pinion steering system. This fundamental design converts the rotary motion of the steering wheel into the linear motion required to angle the road wheels. The steering shaft connects to a pinion gear, a small circular gear. Consider a car moving straight ahead. What primary force must the steering system overcome to initiate a turn, preventing the wheels from immediately responding to the driver's input? It's the combined resistance of tire grip, the vehicle's momentum, and the inherent geometry of the suspension designed for stability. As the steering wheel rotates, the pinion gear, meshed with a longer, flat gear called the rack, slides horizontally. This linear movement is then transmitted outward, through a series of linkages, to pivot the steering knuckles and consequently, the road wheels. This mechanical conversion is remarkably direct. Despite the efficiency of the rack and pinion, how does a driver effortlessly maneuver a large, heavy vehicle at low speeds, such as during parking, without experiencing immense physical strain? The answer lies beyond pure mechanical advantage. This challenge is addressed by power steering systems. Historically, hydraulic power steering augmented driver effort. A pump, driven by the engine, circulates hydraulic fluid under pressure. When the steering wheel is turned, a control valve directs this pressurized fluid to one side of a piston within the steering rack. This hydraulic pressure pushes the rack, adding significant force to the driver's input, thereby reducing the physical effort required to turn the wheels. Imagine a scenario where the power steering pump suddenly fails. What immediate and dramatic change does the driver experience, and why does the steering resistance become so pronounced, almost as if the wheels are locked? The loss of hydraulic assistance leaves the driver solely responsible for overcoming all steering friction and resistance. Modern vehicles increasingly employ electric power steering, or EPS. Instead of hydraulic fluid and pumps, an electric motor provides assistance, directly or indirectly, to the steering shaft or rack. This system offers greater fuel efficiency, reduced maintenance, and the ability to tailor steering feel electronically. Integral to the steering system's integrity are ball joints. These spherical bearings allow for multidirectional movement between the control arms and the steering knuckle, accommodating the complex geometry changes during suspension travel and steering inputs, all while supporting the vehicle's weight. If a ball joint were to catastrophically fail, what critical, dangerous symptom would manifest immediately, and why is its proper function absolutely essential for maintaining control of the vehicle? Such a failure could lead to an immediate loss of wheel control, potentially resulting in the wheel detaching or collapsing. Further out from the rack, connecting it to the steering knuckles, are the inner and outer tie rod ends. These components translate the linear motion of the rack into the angular changes of the wheels, allowing them to pivot. The outer tie rod end connects to the steering knuckle, while the inner tie rod end attaches to the steering rack itself. Consider a vehicle that consistently pulls sharply to one side, especially under braking. While wheel alignment is a common culprit, what specific steering component, if worn, could contribute significantly to this directional instability and imprecise control? Worn tie rod ends introduce excessive play, compromising toe alignment and steering precision. The efficiency and safety of a vehicle's steering depend entirely on the synchronized operation of these interconnected components. A single point of failure, whether a worn ball joint, a compromised tie rod end, or a failing power steering assist, can cascade into a critical loss of control, illustrating the delicate balance of the entire system. Understanding the intricate mechanisms within the steering system, from the initial input at the wheel to the final articulation of the road tires, reveals a sophisticated engineering solution. Regular inspection and maintenance of these critical components are not merely about performance. They are fundamental to vehicle safety and predictable handling.